Hello editors, welcome to another tutorial in which I'm gonna show how to create this smooth black burst animation in After Effects. So let's get started. First create the solid layer, set color to black. Now go to Effects and Presets and set CC Jaws and apply to the solid layer. Set height to 0. Make a completion keyframe and set it to 100. Now select solid layer, press U on the keyboard. Move light forward and set completion to 70. Now select both the keyframes, hit F9 on the keyboard. Go to graph editor, make sure edit speed graph and copy my graph. Now move the plate forward and create a completion keyframe. Again move the plate forward, set completion to 100. Now select last two keyframes, go to graph editor and copy my graph.